Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Signal app data after reinstalling. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Signal app data after reinstalling, start by ensuring you have a backup of your Signal data. If you haven't created a backup prior to uninstalling, your data may not be recoverable. Open the Signal app on your device. If you had previously set up an encrypted backup, you will need to locate the backup file on your device. This backup file is typically stored in your device's internal storage or on an external SD card. Next, uninstall the Signal app if you haven't already done so. Once uninstalled, reinstall the Signal app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After the installation completes, open the Signal app. You will be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and follow the verification process. During the setup process, you will be given the option to restore your backup. Choose the option to restore from backup when prompted. The app will then search for available backup files. If your backup file is detected, you will be asked to confirm the restoration. Complete the restoration process by following the prompts. After restoring, your messages and contacts from your previous installation should now be visible in the app. It's important to note that any data not included in the backup cannot be recovered. Now, check if your settings and preferences are as you left them prior to uninstalling. If everything looks good, you're ready to start using Signal again with your restored data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.